Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm teaching in Dolo Secondary and I'm teaching festivals in Vietnam. So I'm going to make it more practical and interactive. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget subscribing motivate me to do more. Don't forget subscribe.
6 này, 7 từ này. Nó là từ chỉ để người nó có thôi là.
So in teaching in secondary school, you know, they are matured, and so I put them in groups for them to brainstorm the kinds of festivals that they can remember in Vietnam. And after brainstorm, I asked them to come on the board. Write the types of festivals that they got in groups. After they mentioned the festivals, then we marked it. Test holiday. Is that a festival? Test holiday. Okay. Please don't touch it. No editing again. Okay. This is what? Again. Home Pagoda Festival. Do we agree? Yes, good. Let's look at this. Children Festival. Please, hello. Stop writing. Let's look. Okay, hold on. Agree? You say yes, if you agree, you don't agree, no. Next one. Buddha Half Festival. Do we agree? Okay. Next is what? Do we agree? Lunar New Year. Okay. Next festival. May Autumn Festival. Do we agree? Next one. Home King Festival. Do we agree?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 festivals. Beautiful. Thank you. You can sit. Clap for them. Okay, let's go. Wandering Festival. Mid-Autumn Festival. Buddha Festival. Perfume Pagodas Festival. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Thank you. Clap for him. Okay, let's come here. Group 3. What do we have here? Lake Festival. Chiramtu Festival. Hong Pagoda Festival. Mid-Autumn Festival. Lunar New Year. Bali Pagoda. Wandering Soul Festival. Okay, Festival. Okay, so you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, clap for her. For group 3, group 4, let's see. Lunar New Year. Buddha Festival. The Festival. Hong Pagoda Festival. Hong Q Festival. Autumn. Perfume Pagoda Festival, right? Good. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 for group 4. Clap for her. Group 5. Holiday test. Well, that is this one. This one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget subscribing motivate me to do more. Don't forget to subscribe.